just 4 ingredients and you can be on your way to wonderful, soft, supple lips. If you'd like to know how, keep watching. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today is going to be a very quick DIY holiday lip gloss. Today I'm going to make Vaseline holly berry and vanilla lip gloss. This is going to be really simple. What you need is 3 tablespoons of Vaseline, some lip colorant, and your essential oil. I'm going to be using holly berry and vanilla. So let's get started, shall we? So what you want to do is take 3 tablespoons of the Vaseline and put them in a microwaveable container. This doesn't have to be Vaseline, it can be just the petroleum jelly. Same thing, just cheaper. And generally, I'm not a big fan of Vaseline lip gloss. It doesn't let your lips breathe as well as, let's say, the aloe vera or the coconut oil. But this is a quick and easy way if you want to hurry up and fix a lip gloss before you go out for the holidays. And then we're going to add a couple of scoopfuls of the colorant. And it depends on how dark you want is how much you're going to add. I think I'll go ahead and add 3. Might as well live dangerously. And then we'll go ahead and add our essential oil, and I'm going to do 10 of each. That was 10 vanilla and 10 holly berry. So we have it all in our cup. I'm going to go ahead and take it over to the microwave and microwave it in 10 to 30 increments until it is soft and we can mix it all up. All right, so it is looking pretty good. Give it a quick stir. And this fills about 3 tubes supposedly. We'll find it. You can either, here's the little tubes. You can either try pouring it in with a funnel or you can use a syringe. And then just stick it in there and squirt it in. It's a little messy, no matter which way you use it. All right, so I got it filled up there to the top. We'll go ahead and put our little lip cap on and then put the cap on. So the one thing that you want to remember to do anytime you do anything with the lips, make sure everything is sanitized and if possible wear gloves. I don't have any gloves, but I'm just making this for myself, but everything is sanitized. I'll go ahead and finish that up and I'll go ahead and show you the end product. All right, so here is the final product. I did make 4 of them. So let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, so it does have a nice color. It has a nice shine to it. Feels good on the lips. And I think it just needed a little bit more holly berry, but it really doesn't taste bad at all. So there you have it. If you like this video and would like more like it, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notices every time I upload a video. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.